Yukon Dana 35 rebuild kit and tools you'll need.
And this is my Jeep, a quick update. I just got all my differential parts in, bearings, ring and pinion gear, the loaded carrier. It's a Yukon. It even came with a gasket for the cover. It's all new. Now I'm gonna have to check. I see everything. There's the new pinion nut. And it's got new bolts. All the, the carrier washers, the seal for the pinion. But one thing I got a question on, was it supposed to have a crush washer? So that's one thing I'm gonna have to look into, because I see the bolts. It has new bolts for the cover, all the washers, the pinion shaft nut, loaded carrier, pinion shaft, and ring gear. But I do not see a crush washer. I'm not even sure what a crush washer looks like. But anyway, I'm gonna check on that. And it's my Jeep out.
Here's some of the tools you'll need to rebuild your differential. Another picture of the dial indicator and price.
My Jeep update. It's Thursday afternoon, and I just checked my backlash, and it's showing it's about 4-5 different places, 11 to 12. I think I found one place that was showing 10, but mostly 11 to 12. So it's loosened up, and I only put a couple of miles on it for that second drive-in period that I attempted, and it was showing 8 when I buttoned it up last time. So I'm gonna check preload and see what it is, and then I'm gonna depending on what preload is, I may have to take the pinion back out, but I'm not sure. But I'll see what kind of, I want to get to where maybe I tightened up the backlash a little bit and check another pattern out. Hey, good morning, my Jeep update. Saturday, June, not sure of the date. And there you see that pattern I did yesterday, and I sent it in to somebody that's been advising me on Yukon specs, and they informed me the pattern looks good, so I'm gonna go with it. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my torque. I've got those pretty well tightened down, but I'm gonna make sure they're torqued to specs, put the cover back on it, and I'll go ahead and service it. And then I still got my drive shaft, I got my axles, I gotta get the axle in, I still got some work to do again. So I'll update you when I get this back together, my Jeep out. My Jeep update. Okay, I've got my cap bolts in. I've already in earlier clips showed you the specs and the gear pattern. Got these torqued at 80 foot-pounds. I checked them. And anyway, I'm getting ready to button it up and service it. And I'll update you a little bit later. It's a my Jeep. And remember, it's Saturday.